help there?
Give her a drink. Can you give Sissy a drink? Sissy wants a drink of magic juice.
Hit the dirt.
Mmm, good magic juice.
Did we see one day?
Nah.
She doesn't want it.
That's what I thought. It was in Greenberg.
You can drink it.
That's all one.
That's good magic juice, huh?
It was.
Mm-hmm.
It was. There's more here.
Was that them, wasn't it at them one weekend that had that big barn out?
I love you, Mason. And Finny loves you. Finny loves you.
Would you get off that hose, sister?
You're gonna fall.
How many times have you fallen on that hose?
Did you get magic juice all over you? Oh! You're funny and wet. Ooh, that's cold. Get away from me. You're getting that on Aunt Beanie.
There's ice cream right there.
I know.
Oh, my.
That's alright. That's what they make
You're
people
funny. You're funny. Nana, he wants to give you a drink. He's been washing his face with his magic juice.
I don't think so.
Ah, pretty girl. What are you doing? You want this?
What do you think you'll do if you pour it on him?
All right. What you gonna do with that? What you gonna do with
Do
that?
that, Ray.
Put it on his magic juice? Ooh. Are you trying to get your magic juice on your papa?
Why not? He's got it all over Stop pouring water on me. Just a little bit. Stop.
Somebody's gonna have to teach him the proper way to do that.
Yeah, really. Come here, let me wipe your dirty face. Mason, I just washed you all up. Now you're playing in the dirty rocks again.
Well, she's putting her rocks in her cup, in the lid.
Come here.
Harry said he was going to have to invest in some rocks out there. His place that he can play in.
There's water in it. There's water in it.